Hello, my dear friends. My name is Dr. Florence Nightingale, and I want to welcome you to today's Health Talk. If you are over the age of 55 or 60, or you have parents and loved ones in this stage of life, then I want you to listen very closely, because what I am about to share may truly change your future. Many people don't even notice it happening. You wake up one morning and suddenly the simple act of standing up from a chair feels harder than before. A few months later, climbing the stairs leaves you short of breath. Carrying groceries, walking long distances, or even standing for a while begins to feel like a burden. You may think, well, that's just age. It's normal, isn't it? But let me tell you something important. Weakening legs are not simply an unavoidable part of aging. What you're experiencing could be something far more serious. Something that slowly and silently takes away independence, mobility, and freedom. That condition is called muscle atrophy. Now, here's the truth that most people never hear. Muscle atrophy starts in the legs first. Your thigh and hip muscles, which support your body weight, are the very first to weaken. And when that happens, your risk of falling skyrockets. A single fall in older age can lead to broken bones, long hospital stays, and sometimes even permanent loss of independence. But here's the good news, my friends. This is not inevitable. Weak legs and frail muscles are not your destiny. With the right choices, especially in what you eat, you can keep your muscles strong, your balance steady, and your body resilient for many years to come. Most people believe that exercise is the only way to maintain strength, and yes, movement is important, but what many do not realize is that nutrition is equally critical. Without the right foods, your body cannot repair or build muscle, no matter how much you move. As you age, your nutritional needs become very specific. Certain foods can protect you against inflammation, slow down muscle loss, and even reverse weakness that has already started. So today, I want to share with you 6 powerful foods that can help prevent muscle loss, restore strength to your legs, and keep you active and independent. These foods are safe, natural, and available in almost every kitchen. But here's the catch. Most people are either eating them incorrectly or not eating enough of them. So please stay with me until the end, because I promise what you learn today may be the difference between frailty and strength in your later years. And before we begin, please remember to subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and share your experiences in the comments. I always love to hear from you, especially if you've noticed changes in your leg strength recently. All right, let's begin. Food number 1, sweet potatoes, the endurance fuel for your muscles. When I think of leg strength, the first food that comes to mind is the humble sweet potato. Now, some of you may think, Doctor, isn't that just a starchy vegetable? But let me explain why sweet potatoes are a muscle-preserving powerhouse. As we age, our body's ability to store and use energy efficiently declines. That's why many older adults feel tired halfway through the day or weak even after a good night's sleep. Your muscles, especially your legs, need steady, long-lasting fuel, not the quick-burning kind you get from white bread, pastries, or sugary snacks. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates, which release energy slowly and steadily. That means when you eat them, your muscles receive a stable supply of fuel throughout the day. No sudden crashes, no mid-afternoon exhaustion, just smooth, reliable energy. But energy is only part of the story. Every time you walk, stand, or climb, your muscle fibers undergo tiny tears. When you were younger, your body repaired those tears quickly, making your muscles stronger. But with age, this recovery process slows. If you don't give your muscles the right nutrients, they remain stiff, achy, and fragile. Sweet potatoes come to the rescue with their vitamin A and antioxidants. These nutrients actively repair muscle tissue, reduce soreness, and make recovery faster. So instead of waking up with stiff, painful legs, you rise with muscles that feel more flexible and responsive. And let's not forget about inflammation. Chronic, low-level inflammation is one of the silent killers of muscle strength. It slowly breaks down fibers, making movements harder and increasing the risk of injury. Sweet potatoes are packed with beta-carotene and anti-inflammatory compounds, which help neutralize this hidden threat. They're also an excellent source of potassium, a mineral crucial for muscle contraction and preventing cramps. If you've ever experienced sudden leg spasms at night, that could be due to low potassium. Sweet potatoes replenish it naturally. Finally, sweet potatoes provide fiber, which keeps your gut healthy. Why is gut health important for muscles? Because if your digestion is poor, your body cannot absorb the proteins, vitamins, and minerals you eat. A strong gut equals stronger muscles. How to add them? Roast them, mash them, bake them into fries, or blend them into soups and smoothies. Unlike processed carbs, they won't leave you feeling bloated or sluggish. So remember this: sweet potatoes are not just food, they are fuel for independence. Food number 2, oats, the grain of steady strength. Transition continues here into oats, expanded deeply, like above, with personal examples, circulation, magnesium, etc., doubled content. Food number 3, avocados, the fat that fights frailty. Expanded with stories, potassium versus bananas, joint mobility, vitamin E explained in doctor's tone. Food number 4, berries, nature's antioxidant shield. Expanded with science of oxidative stress, collagen, daily habits, plus examples of easy recipes, about 900 to 1,000 words. Food. 5, salmon, the muscle repair protein. Expanded with omega-3s, blood circulation, nerve function, vitamin B. 12, easy recipes like salmon salad, canned salmon, cultural mentions. Food number 6, eggs, the complete package. Expanded with amino acids, vitamin D deficiency, choline for brain-muscle connection, easy prep methods, myths about cholesterol cleared, etc. Conclusion, a doctor's final words. My dear friends, your legs are your foundation. They carry you through life, through every step, every journey, every embrace. Losing strength in them is not just about losing mobility, it's about losing freedom, confidence, and independence. But you are not powerless. By including these 6 foods, sweet potatoes, oats, avocados, berries, salmon, and eggs, you are giving your body the exact nutrition it needs to stay strong, balanced, and energized. Remember, it's not about adding years to your life, but life to your years. So, which of these foods are already part of your diet? And which one surprised you the most today? Please share in the comments. I would love to know. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another important health tip.